All right, this is another project in Midtown Toronto. Commercial property. We're gonna do basement renovation for them for now. Come check this out. You'll see the before condition. Stairs are not in a good shape and they're not standard. They have to get rid of the old stairs, make a brand new stairs standard. And this is the condition you can see. The first thing that I noticed is like it smells so bad because of the drainage system and the piping. We gotta fix those ones. We're gonna do demolition. Demolition is gonna be the first thing. Floor, laminate flooring, tiles, some of the drywalls, they will go. That we'll have bathroom renovation. We're gonna do furnace room. Yeah, this is going to be a practical space for a healthcare consultation company. They're going to have like sessions here, and we're planning to make space for them to be safe, modernized, and very practical space for doing their sessions with their patients and their staffs. You can see the condition of our kitchen. That's pretty much all of it. This is before. This is the final result and the after. All right. We kept the brick styles and we painted as a part of the design column, which is very important. We kept a brick style there too, and we painted, refreshed up. Framing. The framing was here. We moved it toward the furnace room. Drywall a little bit higher, not that much high. And we try to like optimize the height and the ceilings. And we hide the wiring here and also there. Doors replaced, tiles are brand new and leveled up. New hot lights, wiring were upgraded. New kitchenette, countertop, everything, backsplash, faucets. And now, the bathroom. The storage room for them. It's a little bit messy right now. Now, you can see the stairs.